Okay, everybody. So I'm in LAX. Um, I'm waiting on my flight to Manila. I'm going to get married in Hong Kong. This will be on May 14th. So while doing the research for how to get married in Hong Kong, I would look up YouTube videos, and all I would see is people advertising their business of getting you married and providing those services for you. But nobody actually went through the step-by-step process of how it works. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that here. First step is go to the Hong Kong Marriage Registry website. So you'll see that down here. Go to that website, get all the information you can off of it. It'll give you most of the information, but there's another step where you can get more information. So find out everything you can from that website. There's two options. You can register in person, and then they make you wait 15 days, and then you can get married after that. Second, or you can send the documents overseas through mail, registered mail. So that's what I did because I'm in the US, and so there's those two options you can do. Alright, so I'm up here in Hong Kong at Sky Terrace 428, as you can see. So one of the other things you're going to be needing is whenever you have questions about, your marriage application, just go to this email, and they'll answer anything. They usually respond pretty quickly as well. They'll respond within usually within 24 hours, so you don't have to worry about a long wait. Also, try to do this 3 to 4 months in advance. It can take them a long time to process your payment. So basically you need a money order or a bank draft if you're doing this through mail overseas, and you just send that along with your application, and they'll process it, but it could take up to 2 to 3 months for their HSBC bank to process. So be mindful of that. Also, don't book your flights or hotels thinking that it's going to be done quickly. It may or may not. Once you get the confirmation, they'll send you a confirmation email once it's ready. Once you do that, then go ahead and book your flights, hotels, everything you need, and that'll save you a lot of headache. I booked everything and then sent my application, and luckily it came in on time, but it could have easily not. So be mindful of that. Wow. Alright, so I'm at Taiwan's airport. I'm in the lounge restaurant area. Very beautiful airport. I'm on my way back to the US after getting married in Hong Kong. Yeah, so do this 3 to 4 months in advance. Don't book your flights until you get confirmation from them. They will send you an email. The email you provide them on the application that you mail over, and they'll give you a confirmation letter with a confirmation number. And you'll have to print that email out and bring it with you when you come and confirm your notice of intended marriage. So once they send you that email, that's when the 15 days start. So now that's 15 full days, not business days, just 15 straight days. On the 16th day is when you're eligible to get married. After 15 days, show up 2 days before the actual marriage date. Give them your original copies of your documents. And then they'll basically approve it, and so then you're pretty much done, and then you just go in on the marriage date, whatever time they scheduled for you, and you get married. The ceremony takes about 4 or 5 minutes if there's no one else there. When I went, there's literally no one there, just the staff. So, and it was a Wednesday. So it was very quick. and you just go in, you pay the fee. It's like 715 Hong Kong dollars, and so you do the conversion for your currency, and you pay it right then and there. You can use your Octopus Pay card. It's a card you can purchase in the airport to make payments everywhere, or you can pay in cash. It's up to you. Either cash or that Octopus Pay. They won't accept your credit or debit card or anything. Maybe a local, if you have a HSBC bank account, I think they'll accept that. I'm not sure. But I know Octopus Pay card and then a Hong Kong cash. So those are the two forms of payments that I know about and remember. Make sure you have 2 witnesses, and so all they'll do is just sign off that they witnessed the marriage, and they need to have their passport or Hong Kong ID card. So yeah, I hope this video helped, and that, you know, I see all these videos on YouTube about, oh, we can help you and, you know, do your marriage, but they don't tell you the process. So that's why I wanted to do this video, and hopefully it's pretty clear about what you need to do. Make sure when you're filling out your documents as well, the notice of intended marriage form, put it verbatim, like your full name that's listed on your passport. Put that name in the documents. So say your name is Andrew, don't put Andy, put Andrew. You know, stuff like that. So, and other than that, what I did was I typed it all out. Like, it was a PDF file. I just edited the PDF file, typed everything in so that it's exact, and then I double and triple checked it. And then you got to take it and get it notarized before you send it off. So you got to get it at a notary public, wherever that is near you. You got to get that signed off on and stamped, and then send off your documents. You know, copies of your passport, birth certificate. My wife is Filipina, so she needed her CINOMAR and PSA certified birth certificate. And so, you know, just if you're not sure about whatever country's documents that you're needing, just send them that email, and they'll be able to help you out and let you know what's going on. They respond pretty quickly. So, hope this helped. I'm a little tired here. I don't know if you can tell or not, but a little tired. Just haven't slept much, and you know, heading back to the U.S. and now I have a 15-hour flight ahead of me from Taiwan here. But it's all good. I love traveling, and that's what I live for. So, anyways, hope this helped, and I hope you all have a great day.